Hi there and welcome. If you're thinking of purchasing foam flooring but are unsure which is the best, then stay tuned as we share our review of the best foam flooring available on the market. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Foam flooring is used in a variety of environments, such as gyms, playgrounds, and children's bedrooms. In the US, most households with infants and toddlers use foam flooring to minimize harm from accidents and falls. Foam floor mats are not just for play areas, they also work great in schools, work areas, and anywhere extra cushioning is needed. However, choosing the right one can sometimes be difficult. Well, no worries, we have done our research and found the best 5 for you. Topping the list is the 4-piece multi-purpose interlocking multicolor foam flooring recycler mat from Norsk. If you're looking for a soft but durable foam flooring to use in your kid's bedroom, then look no further than Norsk recycler mat. It's slip resistant and free of flame retardants, so it's perfect for curious crawlers and playful toddlers. It also receives ASTM child rating for not using latex or leads on the mat. Even better, it's one of the few foam mats on the market made from recycled materials. So yes, you get high quality foam flooring that protects the environment at an affordable price. Another advantage of using Norsk foam flooring is it's also suitable in other areas of your home, like in the basement, workshop, exercise room, or poolside. It is also ideal for daycares, gyms, churches, and recreational areas. Whether it is for home or commercial use, you'll surely enjoy using this foam flooring. Each of the Norsk interlocking recycler mats is 24 inches wide by 24 inches long and 0.47 inches thick. 4 recycler mats can safely cover up to 16 square feet. The package also includes 8 straight edge borders that create an even and beautiful look when assembled on the floor. Best of all, Norsk offers a limited lifetime warranty, so you can rest assured that you won't regret your purchase. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now let's continue. At number 2 on our list is the Traffic Master 4-pack black-grey dual-sided gym floor. Create a secure, cushy area where you can cartwheel and jump around safely with one of the best-selling foam flooring on the market. This commercial-grade gym floor is made of high-quality materials that are designed to withstand a hard-wearing environment. It features 4 reversible black-grey mats with 8 straight-edge borders that provides a uniform look when assembled. Each of the interlocking mats measure 24 inches long by 24 inches wide with a thickness of 0.45 inches. All are durable and thick enough to absorb impact. Aside from its durable construction, the Traffic Master gym floor is also crafted to reduce fatigue from standing on a hard floor. You can even run or leap without a worry as it's guaranteed slip-free. For Traffic Master, your health and safety come first. All of the 4 reversible colored mats are free of latex, lead, allergens, and phthalates that can harm your health. They are also moisture resistant, so you don't have to deal with mold buildup or unwanted odors. This 4-pack dual-sided gym floor is perfect for a variety of multi-purpose applications, such as laundry rooms, basements, home gyms, workshops, and many more. Are you finding our list of the best foam flooring helpful? We hope you are, and we have 3 more left to share. Your comments and suggestions matter to us, so don't forget to write them below. All of the links to the products in this video are in the description box below. If anything from our list matches your needs, make sure to click the link below to receive our special offer. Now let's continue. At number 3 and next on our list is the 6-pack multi-purpose multicolor EVA foam interlocking exercise tile mat from Otto Madsen. The benefits of foam flooring are often underappreciated. Once you've spent your day standing on concrete, you'll certainly begin to appreciate the full benefits of quality foam flooring. I mean, why let your legs and feet suffer when you can have a soft tile mat like this product? The Otto Madsen interlocking exercise mat is made of ethylene vinyl acetate, also known as EVA foam, that provides extra cushioning and protection over the bare floor. Not only does it feature an anti-slip and anti-skip property, but also a noise absorption feature that absorbs echo. It can easily be cut to fit perfectly into corners and other areas of your home. What's also nice about this product is the interlocking puzzle tile design that makes it easy to assemble and disassemble. It is incredibly lightweight. You can put it together even without an extra hand. It also has a diamond plate texture pattern that provides added protection on slips. And compared to its competitors, The Automats and Tile Mat can resist beverage spills, wet feet, and pet messes, making cleaning a breeze. Each pack contains 6 2-foot long by 2-foot wide, 0.4-inch thick tiles that cover a total of 24 square meters. As a bonus, Automats includes 2 finished edge borders for each tile to help you achieve a uniform finish. At number 4 on our list is the 4-pack Primary Pastel Playroom Floor from Traffic Master. Traffic Master floorings have always been the top favorite of most homeowners in America. With their wider range of floorings, you can customize the floor in your home without running out of options. This Primary Pastel foam mat is a great flooring solution for playrooms, children's bedrooms, daycare centers, and more. It is made of high-quality recycled materials that are environmentally friendly. Each pack contains 24 inches long by 24 inch wide by 0.47 inch thick interlocking mats that can cover up to 16 square feet. What most buyers like about this mat is that it doesn't need any adhesive to stay in place. It is non-slip and anti-fatigue as well, so even if you stand for long periods, rest assured your feet won't feel sore. Traffic Master also boasts the patented reversible design that features primary colors on one side of the mat and pastel colors on the opposite side. This foam flooring is versatile enough for both residential and commercial applications. It is lightweight and easy to assemble, so you can use it anywhere you want. Aside from that, Traffic Master foam mats are safe for children, as they don't contain toxic chemicals, latex, lead, allergens, or phthalates. It is moisture resistant too, which makes it perfect for moisture-prone rooms, like the basement or laundry room. With Traffic Master, you can get all of these advantages at a price that won't hurt your pocket. Number 5, last but not least, is the Norsk 6-pack black foam garage flooring interlocking mat. This amazing product may be the last one on our list, but it outshines many competitors on the market. It is proudly made from premium recycled materials that are impressively durable and long-lasting. Each pack contains 6 24-inch long, 24-inch wide, 0.47-inch thick, solid-colored mats and 12 straight-edge borders for a beautifully even finish. The Norsk floor mats are suitable for a wide variety of multi-purpose applications. Its anti-slip surface works well in poolside areas, laundry rooms, basements, workshops, fitness rooms, and schoolrooms. These interlocking foam mats can be installed much like other puzzle mats or foam floor tiles. What's more interesting is the diamond plate texture patterns embossed into the mat. This timeless design is aesthetically pleasing and eye-catching, so you shouldn't have a problem blending it in with your own decor. The foam flooring comes in a solid black shade that instantly adds a touch of elegance in any room. That's all for this video, folks. We hope our video helped you decide which foam flooring is the best one for your needs. Let us know what your favorite foam flooring is, or if we left out any that you think we should have featured. Just leave your suggestions in the comment section below. Make sure to click the link in the description box to catch the top 5 best foam floor mats at their best price as well. And before we end this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new product review. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.